Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix network problem high ping and packet loss in Valorant. This reduces the ping and packet loss on your Valorant. So let's give you a quick and easy step on how to do it. Let's go ahead and start. First thing you need to do is by going to your Windows and type in Control Panel. When in Control Panel, go ahead and click on Network and Settings. In Network and Settings, go ahead and click on Network and Sharing Center. Over here, go on to the left side and click on Change Adapter Settings. Over here, go ahead and right click on your active Ethernet and then click on Properties. On Properties, go ahead and double click on IPv4. On IPv4, go ahead and click on Use the following DNS. And on the primary DNS, go ahead and put 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4 and 4 for the secondary DNS. Once done, go ahead and click OK. And then OK, then go ahead and exit out of everything and try Valorant again. Next, go ahead and go to your command prompt and run as administrator. Over here, what we are going to do is flushing your DNS. So go ahead and type in ipconfig slash flush DNS. Go ahead and press enter, as this will refresh your IP configuration. Next thing we do is go into your firewall. Go ahead and type in allow firewall through window, and then go ahead and click. Once here, go ahead and click on change settings. And then what we are going to do is go ahead and locate the right games or right client. If you do not find right client here, what we are going to do is click on allow another app and find the folder or the file for right client. So go ahead and go to your C drive and find the right client folder. So right games and right client, and then click on the exe application here and then open and then add. Once done, go ahead and click on private and public tick box. And that should be all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.